Hi, Jim Sullick with Penofin. We're going to show you today how you take furniture looking like this and we're going to turn it into a beautiful finished project like this. To complete this project today, we're going to use the Jensen Aftercare Kit that contains two products made by Penofin, a brightener and the Verde stain. Let's get this project started. So we've wetted down the furniture with water and we're going to apply the brightener, which is in a granular form. We're going to mix this into a gallon of water and we're just going to spray it on with the garden sprayer and let it set up on the surface. Once we've covered the entire piece of furniture, we're going to let the brightener sit for 30 minutes. If you have a few areas where you've got a lot of dirt or grease or grime, you can use a nylon bristle brush and slightly agitate the surface to let the brightener work in. After 30 minutes, we're going to hose off the furniture with water, and then we're going to let the furniture dry for 48 to 72 hours. We've let the furniture dry for 48 hours. Now we're ready to use the Penofin Verde stain from Jensen Furniture. Just apply a generous coat of the stain. You don't need to let it puddle in order to penetrate down through the wood surface. After you apply the stain, you let the stain set for 30 minutes. Then you use a cotton rag to wipe any excess of stain that hasn't been absorbed by the wood. A very important step is that when you're finished with that rag wiping off the surface, make sure that you put the rag into a metal bucket of water to avoid spontaneous combustion. We've finished wiping down the furniture and now it's ready for use. Look how beautiful the end product looks. If you have any additional questions, call 1-800-PENOFIN.